In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Testerup to your Cash App account. But in the beginning of the video, I will tell you that there is no direct way to send your money from Testerup to your Cash App. As you can see, the payouts to Apple Pay, Venmo, and Cash App are not supported. The only way to withdraw money from Testerup is the PayPal. So I will tell you what you can do to withdraw your money from Testerup and send it to your Cash App account. So first of all, you need to withdraw your money from Testerup to your PayPal account. After you will send your money to PayPal, you need to link your bank account to your PayPal account. So just link a regular bank account to your PayPal and withdraw your money from PayPal to your bank account. After that, you can go to your Cash App account, click your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down until you will see linked banks, click on it, and then select link debit card. And right here you can add your bank card to your Cash App account, and from your card you can transfer money to your Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.